Welcome to QTPod. Today in this tutorial we are going to talk about how you can track your order right from QTPod website in your account. So let's start now. First thing you have to do is log into your account. Once you logged in, click an account icon or your name and you will be landing on your account dashboard. And then head over to the order history on the left menu. So right here you can see the record of all the orders you have made in the past. And you can see their progress, packing and tracking information as well. So if you mouse over any of your order, you can see what is the status of order. For example, this one says order is shipped. If I mouse over on this one, it says order is ready. This one is delivered. And once the order is shipped, you should have the packing and tracking information for your order. Just click on the details and you could see how many boxes are there, the weight of each box, what is the shipping fee, tracking number, and track now button. Of course, there's a total. If you have multiple boxes, that could be helpful. So to track the order, just click on track now. A new window will open where you could see the complete tracking information for your order up to it's delivered. So simple as that to check the tracking for your order. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching and thank you for doing business with QTPod. We look forward to serve you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello. Here again on the mobile phone. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to check the tracking of your order, how to track your order on the mobile phone as well. Just click on the top left menu, account icon, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, then click on on the menu on the top left, account icon, and you're on your dashboard. And on the left side, you see the pink menu. Click on this one as well, and click on the order history. Same as desktop, you could see all the order statuses. And for the orders which are shipped, just click on the details. And here you can see the detail, same as what we have seen on the desktop. And to track the order, just click on track now. And here you are. There is the tracking. So simple as that. I hope it's helpful. Thank you for watching. Once again, have a nice day. Bye-bye.